So let us take Amazon software where customer is given requirement for A to Z modules. Let us take A to Z means I will take few features, login, sign up, wish list. Okay.
Okay.
Cart, address.
Yeah.
Log out. Something is there. Other modules also there. I'm just taking an example. Okay.
Okay.
This is given to business analyst. No. Business analyst is collected the requirement in the form of CRS. He converted into SRS. Next design is done. Next coding. Okay. Once the coding is done, they have developed a software. The software is given to the test engineers. So there is a server. Okay. Inside the server, they have installed the software. Okay. Once after installing, test engineers start doing testing. What and all testings they will do? If there is only one module, they will do functional testing. Yes or no? If there are many modules, they will do integration testing.
Yes.
If there are end-to-end flows are there, they will do system testing. If there are many users are using the application, they will do performance testing. They will check the look and feel of an application by doing the
Usability test.
usability testing. Okay. Like that, they will do other testings also. While doing the testing, let me take while doing system testing or integration testing. Okay. Test engineer find a defect. As soon as we find a defect, what we have to do? We have to prepare a defect report. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We have to prepare a defect report. Once after defect is logged, we will get a unique defect ID. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Once after generating unique defect ID, you will communicate defect to the developers. So what developer will do? Developer, let me write here. Developer open the source code. He is not able to find the defect. Okay. What he will do? He is not able to find the defect. And they got to know that this defect will 100% affect the customer. Okay. That time they will do something called as some methodology they will use to find the defect. That is what they will call it as a root cause analysis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what do you mean by root cause analysis means? There was a Japanese engineer. His name is Ishikawa. Okay. This fellow is what I can tell, invented one of the method. The method name is fishbone technique.
Okay.
There are many techniques, but this is one of the technique where the companies will use. Okay. So whenever they will open the source code and they are not able to find the defect, developer not able to find the defect. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That time what happened? He need to depend upon something called as Ishikawa method. So Ishikawa method will work on the fishbone technique. So what do you mean by fishbone technique? So you guys know that fishbone, how it will looks.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
like a arrow.
like this, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So if you see here, the development lead, what he will do, he will decide, okay, we have to fix this defect or else it will affect the customer business one day for sure, because we are not able to find the defect. So he will go for the Ishikawa method, where in Ishikawa method, this each and every bone, what I am telling, these are the modules. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
each and every bone is a
Module.
module.
Mm-hmm.
So let me take example. This is module A. It means sign up. This is B, login. This is C, wish list. D, cart.
Mm-hmm.
E, address. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And something logout is, yeah, something like that. Okay. So when I was
Mm-hmm.
doing the system testing in the cart, let me take an example. I found a defect. A, B, C, D. D is a cart, no? There is a defect.
Mm.
I'm adding a product to the cart, but the product was not able to add, or some different product is adding. I'm added the pencil, the pen is added. Got it?
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
So, but is not able to find the defect in the source code. So they went for the root cause analysis, where they can check where is the defect. Here, what development lead is done is assign the each and every coding. This is completely coding, okay, of A module, B module, C module, D module, like that.
Mm.
A is start doing to test each and every line of the code here. Similarly, B.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
When C is testing or is doing white box testing or something, each and every line of code, he found one of the defect.
Mm-hmm.
He found defect in the C module. C module means let us take wish list. Okay. But when I was testing the wish list is working fine. Understood. No defects in the wish list, but still there is some error in the coding. This is reproducing the defect in the D module.
Uh-huh.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this defect is affecting here.
Okay.
Okay, it is not affecting here.
Oh.
So my developer D, what he has done, he's looking the D code and is analyzing, is not able to find the defect.
Uh-huh.
So for this type of special cases, they will go for the root cause analysis, and root cause analysis give you a proper way of finding the defects. Got it? This is what we'll call it as root cause. Root cause means what? Either a root is causing for this defect.
Mm-hmm.
So see, developer will tell, hey, I want to fix this defect. As soon as you fix the defect, no, this will automatically fix, or he will fix here as well. Some logics will be there, which is depending upon, there is a integration logic, something will be there. So they will fix the defect.
Uh-huh.
As soon as they fix the defect, they will again compile the code, compress the code, and they will give the software to the test engineers.
Okay.
And we will test the software, the defect is fixed.
Okay.
So this is a critical condition in the company. Okay. This is a critical condition in the company. So what they will do is they will mark it as a document. Okay. They will mark it as a document. They will tell, and they will keep this document in the centralized place. Centralized place means what, sir? If you take WhatsApp group, no?
Mm-hmm.
In WhatsApp group, if I update anything or upload anything, everybody can see, right?
Yeah.
If I chat personally, then it will go to personal. Centralized place means where all the developers is having a access. All test engineers is having a access.
Yes.
Where they will upload this type of defect.
Yeah.
Sir? Why? Because any new test engineer came or any new developer came. Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
any new test engineer came, new test engineer or new developers, they have to check these type of situations will also arise in the company.
Okay.
So you should not imagine anything. That is their main agenda. Okay. So they
Yes.
will keep in a centralized place so that they will get to know that, okay, this type of defects also. See, this is not easy case, no, because all the modules are there doing white box testing. It is consuming time as well and also the efforts as well. They left their writing code part and they are doing something else. I mean, they are doing. So this entire process is planned by a person called as Ishikawa. So fishbone technique is also called as Ishikawa method.
Okay.
Okay.
This is what we'll call it as a root cause analysis.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Easy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is just I'm giving you an idea of how the company will do or will check this root cause analysis. Got it? Or this is one of the procedure in the company where you should aware of. I can tell.
Yes.
Okay. So take this
Yeah.
screenshot. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir. 1 second, okay? Hold on.
Analyze whatever I told. No, analyze it.
Yeah, done, sir.
Done.
Yes,
Okay. Take your time and analyze.
So, sir, this fishbone technique, it can be used for all types of white box testing, like unit testing, path testing.
I don't know what how developer is testing,
Okay.
what strategy is using.
Okay.
But they will take each and every module and they will plan, or they will take one module or see that is depending upon how developers are planning. Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Done.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So take the notes.
Mhm.
Yes, sir. That,
Yeah, done.
Okay. So now let us know some types of acceptance testing. Okay.
okay.
Very easy. There are few types.
Okay.
First one is user acceptance testing. User acceptance testing is basically, it is an end-to-end testing
Mhm.
done by the end user. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Who will do? End users will do. Who are the end users? If the company is, I told FedEx, in the FedEx, end users means who? The employees. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
So user acceptance testing, it is an end-to-end testing done by by. Oh my God. It is an end-to-end testing done by end users, where what they will do, where they will check the software stability, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
And if they get the confidence, what they will do, they will deploy the software into the
Production server.
production server. Okay. This is what we will call it as a user acceptance testing. Second one we have, that is operational acceptance testing.
Mhm.
So what do you mean by operational acceptance testing? Operations means kya hai? You already know that there will be
Yeah.
IT engineer or admin present at the customer place. What he will do? He will do the acceptance testing. Got it?
Yes,
And
sir.
he will check the quality of the software. If the quality of the software is good, then he will deploy the software into the production server.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is what we will call it as a operational. Next we have contract acceptance testing. Contract acceptance testing. Okay, so what do you mean by contract acceptance testing? A few contract people hired by the customer to do the acceptance testing. So in India, if you take any companies, no, if you take, sir, you are a mechanical engineer, why you shifted to IT?
Yes, sir.
One answer, because I was working as a contract guy. What
Oh,
do you mean by contract? Contract means there will be a company where the company will be having a contract people. Contract people in the sense there are some consultancies where what they will do, they will do the interviews and they will hire us. Later we will be working under us, but in the company, proper company, where they will take our salary as some 50,000, let us take example, they will give us 20,000, they will take 30,000 as a profit. Understood? Contract people means we are not directly employees, but we will work in a company. Got it? Like that, the
yes,
customer
sir.
will also hire few people, contract people. They are not a direct employees to their company. but they will do the acceptance testing. Once acceptance testing is done, then he will just fire them, or he will tell them, hey, you can leave, or your contract has been completed, so you have 1 week time to search for a new job, like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Next
sir.
we have compliance acceptance testing. So what do you mean by compliance acceptance testing? You know that there are some rules and regulations that the government have.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What are the rules and regulations the government have is, you guys know there is a game called as PUBG. I don't know whether you have heard or not. This game was previously in India, it was booming.
Okay.
But the government is banned that because there are so many guns, blood, these things are there.
Uh-huh.
So this and all is against our Indian government.
Uh-huh.
So they have banned this software.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now they have changed the name as BGMI, same game, where
Uh-huh.
they have changed the colors of guns, or they changed the color of blood into not in a red color, it is in yellow color or blue color, like that.
Mhm.
Now it will not represent you as a blood. It will represent something is like you are becoming weak as soon as the bullet hit you.
Mhm.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So this compliance acceptance testing will be done. Done. They will check whether
Hello? Cannot hear you, sir.
am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they will do the acceptance testing, or we will do the acceptance testing based on keeping those points in my mind. Okay. Hey, understanding, no?
Yes, sir.
You take Netflix, no?
Yes, sir.
They have segregated the movies like 13 plus, 16 plus, 18 plus, 21 plus, like that, based
Yes,
on
sir.
how cruel that movie is. If they are not mentioned that, no,
Yes, sir.
we can file a complaint on Netflix, and we can tell them to uh, what, restrict that type of movies. Got
Okay.
it? That is a rule of a company. That and
Okay.
all we are doing, we are testing, so that we will call it as a compliance testing. We have something called as beta testing or beta acceptance. So what do you mean by beta acceptance testing, sir? Beta acceptance testing means the end users, okay, end users means you and me are the end users,
Yes, sir.
or customers. This end users is different. This end users is the person who is working in a company. See, I told you there is a software called as FedEx. FedEx employees only, they are doing testing. This is done by their end users, that company users. But this
Yes, sir.
is done by customers. End users means the entire world. Okay.
Yes, sir.
those persons, what they will do, they will do the acceptance testing. Sir, how they will do, sir? Okay, just they will use the software. End users use the software and they will give the feedback regarding the application. Okay, what do you mean by this? Feedback का मतलब क्या है? If something is went wrong, the application is not working fine, or some application is lagging, no, there is a there is something called as feedback.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let us see here. Let us take WhatsApp only. I think my WhatsApp way to open. Let me open some application. Okay, some tool is there here. Okay, so if you come below or if you check somewhere, there will be something called as feedback. Pricing, enterprise tools. So let me check with the Facebook. What you have to do is, if you just go with your WhatsApp, chats, favorite, about account. Wait, I will show you. Maybe it is there in the Instagram. It was there in all the applications. I think they have removed, or they have not removed it. Maybe I'm not able to find immediately. How to open account, privacy, primary, help, report a problem. Okay. If you open your Instagram in your mobile, no, go to profile, in the top right side, there is a hamburger, three lines are there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you opening your mobile?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, there are three dots. If you click on that one, something called as, if you come down, help is there. If you click on help, okay, there
I
is
do see
something
the
called as
help.
report a problem. Okay, or report a problem. Report a problem is nothing but it's a feedback. Okay,
Yes, sir.
groups, pages. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
am I audible?
Yes, sir.
If you check Facebook, if you go help, no, in help, if you go to the whatever the privacy policy somewhere, there is something called as reporting a problem with the Facebook. They have added a symbol called as bug. This is a bug, okay?
Yes,
It
sir.
means this is what you want to report a defect.
Hmm.
Okay. So
Yes.
what type of defect you are finding or something, you just go into the details and you have to do it. You have to report a defect. That is done by the users called as we only end users. So
Okay.
that testing is called as beta testing.
Mm-hmm.
It is not mandatory that you have to do, but whenever you are facing, it is like you are guiding him that, or you are telling him that there is a software. They will not give you any money and all. You will not be an official test engineer, but if you are interested, you can find and you can track and you can give them defects.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is
Yes, sir.
what we will call it as a 5 types of acceptance testing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you go to your app store, you will get a beta version of WhatsApp as well.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you mean by beta WhatsApp means? Next week they have to launch some updates that you will get very much previously. Like Amazon, if you are premium member of Amazon, no,
Oh.
if you want to buy an iPhone, one day before only will get access for any sales,
Mm-hmm.
big billion day sales.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know whether it is there in US.
Uh-huh.
Some sales will happen in applications like your Amazon and all, Mintra and all. What they will do, they will give access for a premium members a week before. If they
Okay.
want to buy any items, they can buy
Uh-huh. Okay.
with the less price.
Mm-hmm.
Same offer they will launch after 4 days or 5 days later for all the users. That time I will call them as a premium member. Similarly, beta users means they will get a new updated software very sooner compared to normal users. So you can install the beta WhatsApp where the WhatsApp updates will be very fast, where your friends are using a old WhatsApp update and you are using a new WhatsApp update. And when you are finding any defect, you can report as a bug. So that
Okay.
we will call it as a beta testing.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So take the screenshot.
Yeah.
Done. So this is about your uh, acceptance testing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I was not
Yeah.
done with the screenshot, sir.
No worries. Now take.
Thank you.
Okay. Done.
Hold on.
हो गया है.
Yes, sir.